Harazdan, a peaceful town in Armenia's Kotek province, is surrounded by mountains and natural beauty. It is a convenient stopover between Yerevan and northern Armenia, offering a blend of comfort, claim, and traditional Armenian hospitality. From boutique resorts to cozy guest houses, Harazdan and its nearby areas provide excellent options for travelers seeking relaxation and a base to explore the region. The first one is Apartments Sakkadzor. This apartment style accommodation offers spacious rooms and basic facilities for a homely stay. Equipped with kitchens and comfortable interiors, they are great for families or longer stays. The quiet location and value for money make them practical for travelers. Guests enjoy the convenience and relaxed setting close to the town. The second one is Grey Hotel and Sauna. Grey Hotel and Sauna provide cozy rooms alongside a unique sauna facility for guests. The environment is simple yet inviting, with friendly staff ensuring a comfortable stay. Its location makes it easy to access local attractions while still feeling peaceful. Visitors appreciate the mix of relaxation and functionality. The third one is Canora Lake Resort. This lakeside resort offers beautiful natural surroundings and clean, comfortable rooms. The tranquil atmosphere make it ideal for those who prefer peaceful retreats. Guests enjoy the fresh air, scenic views, and the sense of calmness away from the city's life. It's perfect for families and couples alike. The fourth one is Faria Boutique Hotel. Faria Boutique Hotel blend modern design with cozy interiors, creating a stylish yet comfortable environment. It offers a personalized touch with attentive service and well-kept rooms. Ideal for couples or solo travelers, it feels both intimate and relaxing. The location adds convenience without sacrificing peace. The fifth one is Elva Hotel and Spa. Elva Hotel and Spa is known for its sleek design and wellness facilities, including a relaxing spa. The rooms are spacious and tastefully decorated, ensuring a restful stay. Guests highlight the excellent hospitality and peaceful surroundings. It's a wonderful option for those looking to rejuvenate during their trip. The next one is Sakkahovit Hotel. Close to ski slopes, Sakkahovit Hotel is popular with adventure seekers and winter travelers. It offers practical, comfortable rooms along with amenities like ski storage and billboards. Guests appreciate the helpful service and easy access to activities. It's balanced convenience with homely charm. The next one is Hotel Edom. Hotel Edom combines simple rooms with a welcoming, family-friendly atmosphere. The location near ski area make it attractive for both leisure and activity-based stays. Guest praises the cleanliness, comfortable and helpful host. It's a good value choice for travelers who want both relaxation and adventure. The next one is Maroni Hotel. Maroni Hotel offers quiet lodging with amenities like free bikes and a terrace for relaxation. Its peaceful location ensures a restful atmosphere while still being close to town's attraction. Visitors enjoy the friendly staff and homely vibe. It's a well suited for those who are looking for claim and convenience. The second last is Stonehenge Hotel and Restaurant. This hotel stands out with its elegant architecture and inviting interiors. The restaurant on site serves a variety of dishes, adding to the convenience of staying here. Guests value the clean environment, attentive service, and comfortable ambience. It's a stylish yet welcoming option for visitors. The last one is Visota 1880 Hotel. Visota 1880 Hotel offers modern amenities with scenic mountain views and a serene setting. The property includes cozy common areas and a terrace for guests to relax. Its combination of practicality and comfort make it suitable for families and solo travelers alike. Visitor praises the attentive staff and peaceful vibe. Farazdan may not have the bustling hotel scene of bigger Armenian cities, but its charm lies in peaceful stays, warm service, and scenic surroundings. From a spa resort and boutique hotels to practical guest houses, these top 10 options offer something for every traveler. Stay in Harazdan give you comfort, tranquility, and an authentic taste of Armenian hospitality.